Hey, good afternoon. This is Shivan here. So you made your Power BI, which is absolutely good with the numbers, but you're quite there yet with the aesthetic part of the story yet. So how can we do it? So if you look at on this particular page, which is exact replica, how can we make the transformation from this page over here to this page? That's we have here today. We are going to talk about it. So for example, Figma is this particular page. We're going to talk about Figma. If you want to take up Adobe or uh, any other edition of any other image processing or image editing skills, that's more than fine. So the first thing, you make sure that one of the report or one of the template report you need to create stayed as part of my report. So over here, I don't need this report name because I already know what is my report names would be. So I can take off the report name the same way with this part is I don't need it. Same way with over here, text input text box, that's also needed. The rest of I think the same way, all those things, whatever you needed or not needed, etc., you will be defined, and rest we will be exploring, or rather we will be taking to the next level, or rather we will take it to the Power BI and we'll edit it from there. So once everything is done, we will make sure that it is getting exported to the Power BI. So we'll go over here to the maximum resolution. We'll see a resolution or preview over here. If everything is good, we'll click the export button. So click the export, right? So once it is done, so we'll just go over here to the Power BI and making sure that we'll make sure that see the background of which we just put the background over here, the badges over here, and images that's fit. Once that is done, it's always been it'll look as beautiful as this. I know it's really quick and short, but I'm pretty sure that it will take your take your Power BI experience to the next level. Best of luck with that.